Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to satisfy a hungry and demanding cat. And the cat we're going to be satisfying today is Luna. You can tell she's getting impatient. Okay, Luna. Your food is coming. Okay, Luna. Luna, you're going to have to move. I got to get your food. So let's see what we got tonight. Tonight it is Fancy Feast, Cod, Sole, and Shrimp Feast, Classic Pate. Open up the can. Get it on the plate as such. And pat it down. And next, I'm going to put on the Mushroom Gold Bone Broth, which is advanced immune support powder. I'm going to sprinkle on half a scoop. Sprinkle it on top. Now, here's how Luna's dinner looks. Doesn't it look tasty? Okay, and next we're going to bring it over to her and her to eat. Luna, Luna, you gotta let me put it down. She gets so excited she gets in my way. Okay. And that, my friends, is how you satisfy a hungry and demanding cat. If you enjoyed this educational cat video, then be sure to subscribe to my channel so that YouTube will notify you the second I upload my cat videos from now on. Hope to see you next time. Bye.